Alright guys, today I'm doing a review of this Buff Bison sticks. I did a review of the Chipotle one. This is their uh, ba bacon version, but yeah, so you can see, there it is. There's the ingredients, but as I want to read it, pause the video. No nitrates. They were pretty tasty, so I haven't tried this flavor yet, so let's open this up and do a quick taste test. Okay, so that's what they look like. Very similar to the original, just a little softer and juicier piece of the pork. All right, guys, stay tuned for more videos. I sort of like the original better. The chipotle was kind of spicy, so, but they're all pretty very similar. All right, guys, stay tuned for more videos.